Blue is. Wow. Wow. It's pretty. Let's see how it's going to work now. So I'm just going to apply it halfway on the lid. And I'm patting it on. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. Wow. So I'm going into the I'm going into the cargo where I got the blue from, but I'm going to use the gold right here in the inner corner. This blue is, ooh, I like it. And I'm blending the gold into the blue so that the harsh line can vanish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, and on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.